Morning to everyone. So this is the sum we will do now. You can see in the screen. X Limited, an Indian company. So X Limited is an Indian company which advanced. Advance means what? To make an advance payment of $16,000 for import of goods from US company of USA. So here X Limited has given an advance of how much? $16,000 to whom? For the import of goods to whom? US company of USA on 1st February 2013. The goods were received along with purchase bill for $25,000. तो ये $25,000 में $16,000 का ऑलरेडी पेमेंट किया है एंड गुड्स कब रिसीव हुआ on 1st March 2013. The balance amount was paid on 15th March 2013. पहला एडवांस दिया 1st February को, goods were received on 1st March and balance amount was paid on 15th March. Advance gave for $16,000, goods received for $25,000. Means how much is the balance? Yes, 25,000 minus 16,000, that is $9,000 was paid on 15th March 2013. Now exchange rates on the various dates was as follows. 1st to Feb, $1 was 47 rupees 50 paisa. On 1st March, जब गुड्स रिसीव हुआ तो एक्सचेंज रेट 48 हो गया बराबर. सो व्हाट इज इट? प्रॉफिट है या लॉस है? 48 के साथ कंपेयर करो. हमने एडवांस सिर्फ 47.50 दिया. वी हैव गिवन द एडवांस ऑफ 40. हमने जब एडवांस दिया था इंपोर्ट के लिए तो $1 was 47.50. बट आज गुड्स मिला तो हमें 48 रुपीस के हिसाब से गुड्स मिला तो हमने कम पैसा पे किया. वी हैव पेड लेसर अमाउंट इन एडवांस. हम 48 के हिसाब से देना चाहिए था क्योंकि हमें गुड्स मिलते वक्त एक्सचेंज रेट वाज हाउ मच? एक्सचेंज रेट वाज $1 equal to 40. When we receive the goods, exchange rate $1 is equal to 48. but जब एडवांस हमने पे किया $1 was 47.50. मीन्स हमने कम पैसा पे किया होगा 0.5. तो इट्स अ प्रॉफिट. ये हम सेकेंड एंट्री जब गुड्स रिसीव करेंगे तब प्रॉफिट की एंट्री पास करेंगे. एंड फाइनली वी पेड द बैलेंस अमाउंट ऑन 15th March when the exchange rate was 49. means हम 48 के हिसाब से पे करना चाहिए था because goods रिसीव हुआ तो exchange rate was 48. but हमें पे करेंगे 49 के हिसाब से. so we will be paying 1 rupees more per dollar. so this time it is a loss. Then finally we will prepare the FEF account. FEF balance we will transfer to profit and loss account. So let us start the first entry. What is the first date given? First date is 2013, 1st February. February 1st. 2013, February 1st. 2013, February 1st. So what has happened? We have made an advance payment. हमने advance payment किया किसको? To whom have we made the advance payment? X Limited is an Indian company who imported goods from US company of USA. तो किसको, who will be the receiver of the money? यूएस एक्स कंपनी तो पे कर रहे, एक्स लिमिटेड ने एडवांस दिया, तो हु इज द रिसीवर ऑफ द मनी? इट इज यूएस कंपनी ऑफ यूएसए हु हैव रिसीव्ड द मनी, डेबिट द रिसीवर, एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग आउट? जब एडवांस करे, एडवांस पेमेंट करेंगे तो मनी विल गो आउट, एंड हाउ मच डॉलर? 16,000 into how much is the exchange rate? 47.50. So multiply karo, how much amount you are getting in rupees? $16,000 into 47.50. It is coming to 7,60,000 everyone. 7,60,000. So this is being advance payment made, being advance paid on import purchase. Import purchase. Now next, when have we received the goods? हमें goods कब receive हुआ? 1st March को, तो the next date will be March 1st. March 1st we have received the money, not the money, received the goods. 1st March को क्या हुआ? Because import है तो goods receive हुआ, the goods were received along with the purchase bill. So purchase bill मतलब आज, it is a purchase, तो आज का डेट के साथ कंपैरिजन करना चाहिए कि प्रॉफिट हुआ है कि लॉस. सो आज $25,000 का परचेज बिल मिला एंड एक्सचेंज रेट इज 48. तो परचेज करते तो व्हाट कम्स? परचेज करते तो इंपोर्ट परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट, परचेज करना इज अ एक्सपेंस, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस, एंड हाउ मच? $25,000 into how much? 48. Do the multiplication. 12 lakhs. 2 from whom? परचेज किससे किया? देखो ये जिसका, see always जिसका बुक है, the book is of Mr. Z Limited, not Mr. Z but Z Limited, and Z Limited ने परचेज किया from US company of USA. So import purchase to the name of the creditor जिसको पैसे फ्यूचर में पे करने हैं. So how much it will be? And now tell me either one more thing. 25,000 into हमने कितने के हिसाब से सोचा था? 47 point. So this is how much? 11,07,000. 87,500. 11,87,500. So profit at what will come? Profit how much it is the difference? Into 0.50, which is coming to how much? 12,000. So being import purchase done and profit on advance payment recorded due to exchange rate fluctuation recorded. So this is also done. Now final payment कब किया है? Balance payment, when has the balance payment taken place? Balance payment, balance amount was paid on 15th March 2013. The balance payment was paid on 15th March 2013. So we will go to the next date. Next date is March 15th. March 15 को what has happened? Balance payment. Pay करेंगे तो what will go? To cash bank. What is the exchange rate today? And how much is the balance payment? 16,000 already payment हो चुका एडवांस में, पर गुड्स मिला 25,000 का, तो 25 minus 16 9,000. So 9,000 into what is the exchange rate? 49. So this is coming to 4 lakh 41,000. 4 lakh 41,000. And now what we will do? किसको पेमेंट करने वाले? यूएस कंपनी ऑफ यूएसए. तो यहाँ पे डॉलर, यूएस डॉलर 9,000. हमने सोचा था ये 48 के हिसाब से रहेगा. So that is coming to how much? 4,32,000. So this is a loss here, क्योंकि हमने 48 की तरफ से पे करेंगे सोचा था, but we are paying as per 49. So it's a loss of 1 rupees. So here 9,000 into 1, which is equal to 9,000. So इसको बोलेंगे being payment made on import purchase and loss due to exchange rate fluctuation recorded. So this is also done. Now we come to the year end. Is anything given about the year end? Nothing is given, but still we assume our year end will be March 31st. और March 31st को क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी बैलेंस पेमेंट नहीं है, so there will be no notional profit or notional loss. Notional profit या notional loss कब आता है? When there is balance payment, but पूरा $25,000 of import has been paid, so no notional profit, no notional loss, but FEF account has to be transferred. The balance of FEF account has to be transferred to profit and loss account. So इसलिए अभी हम क्या करेंगे? पहले एंट्री में FEF है, सेकेंड एंट्री में FEF है. It is in the credit. Name of the opposite account, amount is 12,500 and date is March 1st. और इधर क्या import purchase. So we will go credit on the credit side. 2013 March 1st. Here we will write buy, import, purchase, and amount is 12,500. Now next again go to the journal entry. Next FEF is in the debit. Name of the opposite account cash bank and amount is 9,000. Date is 15th March. 2013 March 15th. यहाँ पे डेबिट में FEF है, कैश बैंक account, name of the opposite account, and amount is how much? Amount is 9,000. Now see which side is heavy. We can see credit is heavy. Credit is heavy. How much is the difference? 3,500. So ये date क्या रहेगा? March. Let me 1 minute. 15th March, and next date is March 31st. This balance will go to the which account? To profit and loss account. This is the profit. क्योंकि क्रेडिट ज्यादा है, बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्रेडिट ज्यादा है. So now FEF account के डेबिट साइड में बैलेंस है. So FEF account will be in the debit, foreign exchange fluctuation account, and opposite side में we will write profit and loss account. 3,500. 3,500 being balance transferred. Being balance of FEF account transferred. With this sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.